Here we go. Right, I've remasked all the car back up because the sheeting that was on there was obviously covered in primer, and you can give it a little tappy around and obviously dust is coming off, so I've resheeted it all up. Tried to get a bit nice and tighter this time, so that's all that done. I've changed the sheeting on the walls, the back stuff from all the way around, pretty much all the way back round to they are, so it's nice and clean, because what I don't want to do is spray and anything off that sheet and come onto the paint, because obviously it will cause problems. So this is all ready to put some paint. So are we ready? Here we go. She has got paint on. Fumy still in here. Paint's gone on really good and it looks awesome. It's really satisfying to get on. Backs of the doors are done, and the boot and the bonnet, etc. It's had, I got 5 litres of paint I got, and the doors front and back have had three or four coats. The car itself has had, it's on its 3rd coat. Trying to get a nice thick coat, but obviously I don't want to hoof the paint on straight away because I don't want to get runs. The roof's a bit of an awkward one to do. Obviously I've tried to do like 1 coat horizontally, 1 that way. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm really chuffed with it. Can't wait to get a clear coat on it. So yeah, it's come. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I've had 1 issue with the bonnet again. Seem to always have issues with the bonnet. I've got, well, I was doing the vents across there, obviously because I was trying to get the sides back and forward. I've got, if you can see them or not, a couple little runs, nothing major. So it's taken about 6 hours all in all to get all this sprayed. I've still got about a litre and a bit of paint left. There's plenty left. So I'm just gonna let it all set overnight probably. And really it's just the bonnet needs another finish over. Sunroofs looks a bit crap to be honest, but it should be alright once I get enough. It's trying to hold it. I think whether it's the vertical panels or I've got them vertically and I'm spraying on them, because these 2 panels I've only had difficulty with, but you know, the rest was looking pretty good, so looking forward to getting clear cut on it. So I'll get this uploaded and then go from there.